Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your reliable companion on your journey to health and wellness. Here at HouseLux, our commitment is to provide you with valuable and engaging content, arming you with the knowledge to make informed health choices. Today, we explore an exciting and innovative topic: the use of artificial intelligence, or AI, in managing personal health and wellness. So, buckle up for an enlightening ride into the intricate world of AI. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of AI and its impact on our health and wellness. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a term that's often thrown around. But what exactly does it mean? Essentially, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would usually require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. AI is not something out of a sci-fi movie. It's a reality that's ingrained into our everyday lives, even if we aren't always aware of it. It powers the search engines we use, the social media platforms we scroll through, and even the smartphones we can't live without. Fascinatingly, AI is increasingly finding its footing in the health and wellness industry. It is becoming a powerful tool that can help us take better care of ourselves and achieve our health goals. From tracking our exercise and diet to predicting potential health issues, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach our health and wellness. One of the ways AI is used in the health and wellness sector is through machine learning, a type of AI that enables computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. For example, AI can analyze patterns in your sleep cycle to give you insights into your sleep quality. It can also monitor your heart rate and physical activity to provide personalized fitness recommendations. Another application of AI in health and wellness is through natural language processing, which allows computers to understand and interact with human language. This is the technology behind virtual health assistants that can remind you to take your medication, suggest healthy recipes, or even guide you through a meditation session. By harnessing the power of AI, we can gain a deeper understanding of our health and make more informed decisions about our wellness. It's like having a personal health coach, but one that's backed by cutting-edge technology and available 24/7. So now that we understand what AI is, let's explore how we can use it to improve our health and wellness. AI has been revolutionizing the health and wellness industry in ways we could only imagine a few years ago. It's not just about futuristic medical procedures or high-tech hospital equipment anymore. Today, AI is making a significant impact on our everyday lives, especially when it comes to personal health and wellness. Let's start with fitness. AI-powered fitness apps are changing the game. They're not just tracking our steps or heart rate, they're becoming our personal trainers. These apps use AI algorithms to understand our personal fitness goals, our physical condition, and even our daily schedules. Based on these, they can create custom workout plans, provide real-time feedback during workouts, and adjust the plan as we progress. It's like having a personal trainer in our pocket, accessible anytime, anywhere. Moving on to nutrition, AI is helping us make healthier food choices. AI-powered nutrition trackers can analyze our eating habits, identify nutritional gaps, and provide personalized diet plans. They can scan barcodes or even recognize food items from photos, calculate the nutritional value, and track our daily intake of calories, proteins, fats, and carbs. The AI can also consider our dietary restrictions, allergies, and personal preferences. It's like having a personal dietitian who knows our taste and health needs. Last but not least, AI is playing a key role in mental health and wellness. Virtual health assistants, powered by AI, are providing mental health support to millions of people. They can understand our emotions, provide psychological advice, and even teach mindfulness techniques. They're available around the clock, ensuring mental health support is just a few taps away. From fitness to nutrition to mental health, AI is making health and wellness more personalized, accessible, and efficient than ever before. It's helping us understand our bodies better, achieve our health goals, and live healthier lives. Clearly, AI has a lot to offer, but how can we, as individuals, harness its power for our health and wellness? Stay tuned as we delve into this in the next scene. AI is not just for tech wizards and fitness gurus. Anyone can use it to achieve their health and wellness goals. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of AI to enhance your health and wellness. One of the most practical ways is through AI-powered apps. These are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They offer a plethora of features like tracking your physical activities, monitoring your heart rate, and even tailoring a diet plan based on your lifestyle and nutritional needs. You just need to download these apps on your smartphone and input some basic information about yourself. But it doesn't stop there. These apps also use deep learning algorithms to analyze your data and provide personalized suggestions. For instance, if you're struggling to get enough sleep, these apps can detect patterns in your habits and recommend changes to your routine. Or if you're trying to lose weight, they can suggest optimal meal plans and workout routines based on your body type and metabolic rate. Now let's talk about virtual health assistants, another fascinating application of AI. They can provide medical advice, remind you to take your medications, and even help you schedule doctor appointments. Imagine having a personal health assistant available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's what AI can do for you. For example, let's take the case of a virtual health assistant that uses AI to monitor your heart rate and blood pressure. If it detects any abnormalities, it alerts you immediately and can even connect you with a healthcare professional. This can be particularly useful for individuals with chronic conditions who need continuous monitoring. AI can also provide personalized health insights, which is a game changer. By analyzing a vast amount of data, AI can identify patterns that humans might overlook. It can predict potential health risks and suggest preventive measures. Personalized health insights can help you understand your body better and make informed decisions about your lifestyle and diet. Moreover, AI can also help you maintain mental wellness. There are AI-powered apps that offer features like mood tracking, meditation guides, and cognitive behavioral therapy. They can analyze your mood patterns and provide personalized mental health tips. In a world where mental health is increasingly becoming a priority, such tools can be immensely beneficial. In the end, leveraging AI for health and wellness is about utilizing technology to better understand and take care of ourselves. It's about making our lives easier and healthier. AI empowers us to take charge of our health in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Just remember, while AI can provide valuable insights and suggestions, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional for any health concerns. With these tips, you're now ready to make AI your ally in your health and wellness journey. So, we've learned quite a lot today about AI and its role in health and wellness. As we've seen, AI is not just a buzzword, but a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way we manage our health and wellness goals. We started by understanding what AI is, a system that can learn, reason, and self-correct. It's not some far-off future technology, but something that's here, right now, and can be harnessed for our benefit. We then delved into how AI is being integrated into health and wellness. From tracking our fitness progress to predicting potential health issues, AI is playing a crucial role. It's helping us stay proactive about our health, rather than reactive. The most significant part of our discussion was how we can use AI for personal health and wellness. We saw how AI-powered apps can help us track our diet, exercise, and even sleep patterns. These tools can provide personalized recommendations, helping us make smarter health decisions every day. In essence, AI is transforming the way we approach health and wellness, making it more personalized, proactive, and efficient. It's not a replacement for doctors or personal trainers, but a tool that can supplement their expertise and our efforts. Thank you for tuning in to HouseLux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on health and wellness. Remember, your health is your wealth, and with AI, managing it has never been easier.